Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw Mr. Salt and Mrs. Pepper. So grab your marker and follow along with me. So I'm going to draw two little pots. First of all, I'm going to draw a little hat. And then right on top I'm just going to make a bigger circle. And that's going to be the cup. And we're going to make a few little spots. And this is holes for the salt to come through. Now we're going to do the same on the other side. We're going to draw it about the same, so you're going to draw a little hook line and a hook on the other side. And then a few holes in the cap for the pepper to go through. And now we can draw the pots. And now we're going to draw two little eyes. So right here in the middle, we're going to draw the eyes with light reflections. And let's do the same on the other side. And light reflections. Great, let's color the eyes in. Now right below the eyes, we're going to draw a little smile. So on this side I'm going to do a smile and with an open mouth. Let's do it on the other side as well. A little smile first and the open mouth. Now on both sides let's draw a hand or arm with 3 fingers pointing out. And we can do it on the other side. Let's copy it. There we go. And then lastly, we're going to draw this arm. And this one just behind this hand. And then lastly, let's color these dots in, or these little holes in. And there we go. And there's Mr. Salt and Mrs. Pepper. Now you can look at my picture and try to match the colors, and I'm sure your picture will turn out great. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.